Hello traders and investors, welcome to the stock specific analysis episode. In this video, we are going to analysis Kotak Mahindra Bank. So we will be seeing more detail how the stock is going to perform after the Q3 results and when RBI will be lifting its ban on the Kotak Bank on certain subjects. Let's get into the video. As we know, Kotak Bank is founded in 1985. It is a prominent banking sector and it's serving to the corporate and retail clients in diversified way with the different products with the banking sector. So let's see the basic fundamentals of the stock. Current market price of the stock is 1886.20. Market cap of the stock is 3,76,679 crores, which is a large cap stock. Also, it is a Nifty 50 stock. Sector, it is a banking and financial. The PE ratio of the stock is 16.72. Sector PE stands at 10.45. 52-week high of the stock is 1,942. All-time high of the stock is 2,253. 52-week low is 1,543. This stock have given returns of almost 6.18% in 1 year. In last 3 years, this stock have given zero returns to the investors, and in last 5 years, it have given just 18% return, which is none comparing to the Nifty returns. So we will be seeing what are the pros and cons of this stock, what's the target for this stock, and is it in buying zone. So as we mentioned, you can see the chart that how the stock have performed in last 5 years. It have given 18% returns, even it is very less than the FT returns. Now let's see a quick outlook on the Q3 results of this stock. Kotak Mahindra Bank have reported a standalone profit, which is a profit after tax 3,300 crores, which is only Kotak Mahindra Bank have posted 3,300 crores. Overall, the group, how much it is posted, which is 4,700 crores. So, which is a consolidated profit after tax is 4,700, which is 10% year-on-year growth in third quarter of financial year 2025. So, net interest income is grown by 10% year-on-year to 190 crores, which is in line to the expectation. Net interest margin is also been having a good improvement to 4.93% with 2 basis point. Total revenue grew 11% year on year to 9,820 crores, which is in line to the expectation. The current account and saving account has been declined to 1.3%, which is 130 basis point quarter on quarter to 42.3%. Earlier it was 43.5%. The gross non-performing assets was flat, which is 1.5%, and the net non-performing assets also been declined 2 basis point quarter on quarter to 0.41, which is good. Provisioning coverage ratio also been improved on 175 basis point, which is 1.75% to 73.2%. If you can see a snap over here, the overall how the Kotak groups have performed, as we mentioned, it have given a consolidated profit after tax to 4,700 crores, which is evident here. Now we will see what are the pros and cons of this stock. As we have mentioned, they have given excellent returns of Q3 results, even though the stock is still under RBI ban for their new digital account opening and for the credit card issuance, which is impressive Q3 results for this stock. So business growth being recorded is in a very good 15.9% year on year, advances by 15% year on year, which is good ahead in the industry of the banking sector. If the ban been lifted for this bank by RBI, then the real trigger of the stock movement will be happening, and the company is working, the bank is working more closely with RBI to clear this lifting ban. As we mentioned, the long term of the stock remains enviable. And the most important thing is the current TTM PE ratio is less than 3 years, 5 years and 10 years PE, which is trailing 12-month PE ratio, which is very good that this stock have potential to move forward is the key for this stock. Rising net cash flow and cash from operating activity is a positive, and they are using the shareholders fund in an effective way since last 2 years. And company with zero promoter pledge is a positive for this stock. Decreasing of net non-performing assets is very impressive in the recent result of Q3. RSI indicating price strength in a positive bullish. Brokerage have given recommended of three target prices in the last 3 months. Now we will see what are the cons. As we mentioned, the ban, RBI's embargo is still a barrier for the stock to move forward. So the digital onboarding of customers as well as issuing of credit cards is the key issues for this, as they have some gaps in maintaining the data of the account opening. That is the drawback of this. But they are closely working on the digital improving on the credit card and digital onboarding of the customers. Then unfortunately, we don't have the time of when the RBI will be lifting its ban. But as we mentioned, the bank top management is closely working, and it could be happen any month, any time within the 3 months time frame. It could be possibilities of the removing the ban. From that time, the stock have more chances to trigger upside and on it. So based on this, how we can invest on this stock, we will be seeing on the next. So with the current chart, we can see the stock is in the bullish momentum. With bullish momentum, how we can enter on this stock? So the immediate resistance of this stock from the current level, it will be 1900. Major breakout resistance is at 1945, which is the current all-time high. Immediate first support will be available at 1810. The second major support is available at 1740. So the target for the short term is 2032. Target for mid term and long term is 2300, with 25% upside potential is there. With all this, how we can enter? As I mentioned, it is currently trading in the value of 1866. From this place, one can start accumulating the stock till the major support of first support and second support. If this possibilities of 3 phase of investing you make it in this term, it's really a massive returns you can expect from this stock once the ban been taken out of this stock. Even the Q3 results, you can see in a single day the stock have performed for 10% upper circuit locked on the day, and it ended with 9% upside. And even the analysts have given the rating for the stock. KR Choksi have given 2164 target. Motilal Oswal have given 2100 as target. Anand Reddy have given the target of 2010. So this is the technical how you have to enter on this stock. You have to enter in the 3 phase of this stock. I think this video is beneficial for you as a blue chip Nifty 50 stock. Kotak Mahindra Bank is ready to trigger once the RBI lifting been taken out, and this is the time for accumulation. I hope this video is beneficial. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, share to your network, and input your comments if any. Thank you. Stay safe, investor.